Hey guys, so got a story for you today. About a month or two ago, a friend of mine goes to me, "Hey Josh, do you know what's a really good investment?" I'm like, "What? Stocks and shares? Bitcoin?" He's like, No, you're thinking too small. I was like, "Go on, you've intrigued me. What is this great investment?" He goes, "Lego." Okay, you've got me. I'm interested. Tell me more. It's like, yeah, buy Lego. When it goes out of stock on the Lego store, you can sell it for more money. Why didn't I think of this? So, to cut a long story short, I'm now the proud owner of a Lego Saturn V rocket ship. I don't think the investment part's going to pay off that well though, considering I've already opened it, put it together, and it's sat next to my TV. By now you're probably thinking, Josh, that's all well and good. The Lego stores had your pants down. But why should I care? I'm going to tell you exactly why you should care. See, I'm going to make like a display base for this thing that makes it look like the rocket ship's actually taking off. I'm going to use like LED strips, loads of like cotton woolly stuff. It's going to look pretty cool, so stay tuned if you want to see that. In case you missed that, we've basically just designed 4 parts. From left to right, we've got the part that the thrusters actually sit on. Next piece over is some end caps for the pipes we're going to be using. There's going to be 5 of those in total underneath each of the thrusters. We've then got some spacers, which will be used to keep the pipes like parallel with each other. And finally, a part that's going to be attached to the base. Now we can just put all these parts in Cura, and damn it, I exported them wrong. Okay, I can't actually believe this. I've had this thing for like 2 or 3 weeks now. I've only just realized that the freaking micro USB is like ejectable. Like you push it to do that. I've been trying with my fingernails, just like, come on. Yeah, no, I wish I knew that a while ago. Okay, so we're getting places. Got the base together. Well, I say together, I've cut a circle out of some MDF. I've finally got this thing more or less to like a shape that I want. It's taken me quite a while, I'll be honest. I thought this step would actually be probably the easiest part of the project. Turns out it's actually kind of hard to arrange these in a way that looks like natural and organic, I guess. But yeah, I think not too bad a job. I might actually swap these two over still. I want most of the weight at the back of it. Well, not the weight, but like the size. It doesn't really look like rocket plumes, smoke plumes, whatever you want to call them. Vapor trails? Yeah, it doesn't really quite look like those at the minute. I'm hoping when I get the hot glue gun heated up, I'll be able to like hold some of these down. Okay, quick update. As you can see, I have put hot glue all over the place. These are like a lot more secure and in place now, and I think it looks a little bit more like pyramid shaped. Yeah, now the majority of like the shape is out of the way. I guess we can start wrapping this thing in like the fluffy fluff. Yeah, the fluffy fluff. Except I may have forgotten the most important part of this entire project, and that's 20 meters of RGB LED strip. I chose the wrong project. There we go. Oh. So that's literally 10 meters of LED strip that is now going through all of these different thingies. Yeah. So probably not quite bright enough, so I think I'm going to do the other 10 meter reel as well. Okay guys, here's where we're at. I've got this fluff polyester stuff. I think it's polyester. Plan is, that needs to go on there. Thought about spray glue. I'm not sure spray glue will work, just because it's not really got much surface area. Like it's just fibers that it's got to stick to. So at the minute, I'm thinking hot glue. My plan is to just get the hot glue gun, cover this like fluff pancake that I've made with hot glue, and then hopefully stick it to one of these balls. So yeah, fingers crossed this actually works. Ow, 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 ow. Owie. Okay guys, so really sorry, but you're not actually going to get to see me finish putting like the fluff on those paper lanterns. My camera actually died halfway through, so yeah. On the plus side though, it's finished. Check it out. We got a Saturn V rocket hovering on a freaking cloud of rocket fuel and stuff. I'll be honest with you guys, I kind of expected this project to go pretty well, but I had no idea it was going to go this well. I mean, just look at this thing. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, maybe give it a like. If you've really enjoyed it, consider subscribing. That'd help me out and you get to stay up to date with my latest projects. Yeah, not really much more to say. Did I mention this thing has RGB?